Welcome, in front of me is an LG G8X, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. Now before we get started, we will need a SIM eject tool. This thing comes provided with a device in a box, so you can get it from there, or you can just use a paper clip, straighten one on the ends, and it should work just as well. But once you get one of the two, you want to pop out the tray, which is located, looks like on the top of the device, so there we go. So you can see the pin is holding here. Push it in, the tray will pop out, simply take it out, and then here you have space for the SIM card and SD card, or two different SIM cards. So I'll start off with inserting the SIM card instead of the SD, so you can see how it would go, and also how it would fall out apparently. So as you can see, that's how it would look, but I'm going to occupy both of the spaces, so let's move it down and then insert the SD above that. Now make sure it's laying flush. The tray itself has ways of actually holding the cards in so they won't fall out, so that is super nice. And once you inserted them both in here, as you can see they're laying there flush with the tray, simply slide it back into the device and you should see, there we go, the pin for the SIM card. So I'm gonna insert that really quickly. So the SIM card is obviously working, and SD card is working as well, as you can see based on the message here. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.